A federal high court has dismissed an interim forfeiture order obtained by the EFCC against Kogi State Governor Yahaya Bello. Hi, welcome to what's happening. These are the top 10 stories. At number 1, the Federal High Court in Lagos has dismissed an interim forfeiture order obtained by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission attempting to take 14 assets reportedly related to Kogi State Governor Yahaya Bello. Justice Nicholas Oweibo ruled that Section 308 of the 1999 Constitution prohibits the launch of any criminal or civil prosecution against any serving governor or president. Recalling on February 22nd, the judge had granted the temporary forfeiture order following an ex parte motion filed by EFCC seeking to seize 14 properties located in Lagos, Abuja, and the United Arab Emirates, as well as 400 million naira recovered from one Aminu Falala. At number 2, finally, the chairman of the Nigerians in Diaspora Commission, Abike Dabiri Erewa, on Wednesday announced on Twitter that Nigerian students in Sudan are lining up to be evacuated. This comes after the Nigerian government allocated 150 million naira to hire 40 buses to transport around 5,500 Nigerians, including students, from Sudan to Cairo due to fears of their safety amidst the ongoing war. At number 3, Binani Ahmed, an APC candidate in the Adama governorship election, has had a lawsuit dismissed by the Federal High Court in Abuja. The suit was seeking judicial review of INEC's decision to reverse her initial announcement as the winner of the election. During the court proceedings, Ahmed's lawyer informed the court of a notice of discontinuance filed by the plaintiff, and the court subsequently dismissed the matter. At number 4, the Secretary of the Ebonyi State Election Partition Tribunal, Neo Henry Sekula, on Wednesday announced that the tribunal has been directed to relocate to the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, with immediate effect. The directive was issued by the President of the Court of Appeal, Monica Mensem. Sekula noted that following the directive, the Election Petition Tribunal office at the Ebonyi State Judiciary Headquarters in Abakaliki has shut down its activities. At number 5, President Mohammadu on Wednesday swore in 6 new permanent secretaries in the Federal Civil Service at Council Chambers of the State House, Abuja. The swearing-in took place shortly before the commencement of the Federal Executive Council meeting. The appointees are from Borno, Cross River, Gombe, Kano, Ogun, and Taraba states. At number 6, the Colleges of Education Academic Staff Union has expressed dismay by the government's decision to exclude certain workers, including lecturers and tertiary institution employees, from the recent salary increase. The union believes this move is an attempt by the government to create division among Nigerian workers. The union's president, Dr. Smart Odunayo Olubeko, stated that this discriminatory is to prevent Nigerian workers from speaking with a unified voice on matters that affect their overall well-being. At number 7, the Commissioner of Police in Anambra State, Echeng, gave checks totaling 38.3 million naira to 16 families of deceased police officers attached to the command. He presented the checks on behalf of the Inspector General of Police, IGP Usman Baba Alkali, at the state headquarters in Awka. This was disclosed in a statement by the state police spokesperson, DSP Tochukwu Ikenga. The initiative is aimed at providing support to the families of police officers who died while on duty. At number 8, the National Association of Nigerian Students Southwest Zone has given MultiChoice Nigeria a 7-day ultimatum to reverse its planned hike on DSTV and GoTV subscription rates. The Student Association made this known in a statement on Wednesday signed by its coordinator Adejohun Olatunji, Deputy Coordinator Alao John, and Public Relations Officer Okbeluwa Awoyinfa. Recalling, MultiChoice had announced an upward review of prices on its DSTV and GoTV packages by 17% in text messages sent to its customers. At number 9, the World Bank's report on food security states that there is still high inflation in food prices across the globe. This is based on data from December 2022 to March 2023 for low and middle income countries, where high inflation is present in almost all of them. Additionally, 84.2% of high-income countries are experiencing high food price inflation. This report also mentions that Senegal, Sierra Leone, and Togo will be receiving an additional $345 million in funding. Finally, at number 10, the Taliban has killed the mastermind behind the August 26, 2021 bombing at the Kabul airport, which killed 170 civilians and 13 US soldiers as people were trying to flee Afghanistan. The identity of the Islamic State figure has not been released, but US officials have confirmed his death, which took place weeks ago. The officials did not provide further details on how they learned that the leader was responsible for the bombing. That's all for today. See you next time on What's Happening.